Hey guys, Sarah here from the Glitter Guy, and today we're going to show you how to make a burst tumbler. Today we are going to use a 24-ounce plump already prepped from Steel Magnolia. I have my tools here. I'm going to use my spatula, my tweezers, X-Acto knife, dry paintbrush. We have our template that I downloaded from Shanta's workshop. This is going to be a rainbow one and it's already cut out. We used the cat training tape, but any double-sided sticky tape will do. I picked my 7 colors for my rainbow and something to hold my tumbler with. Let's get started. So we're going to apply our stencil to the tumbler. It's a full-page stencil. You're going to want to start by making sure you're lined up on one end. I usually use the top of my stencil to the top rim of the cup to make sure that's level, and as long as I think it's eye level, I start patting it down and pressing firmly around the cup. Unlike a fabric wrap or any other kind of wrap, you don't really want to tug on this too much. You just kind of want to keep it straight without pulling on it, or else you're going to wind up with too much slack when you go to meet up your seams at the end. Now the thing with these is you're going to want to go darkest to light, so it's easier to set all your colors out, figure out where you need to start. Obviously we're going to start with Twilight. So you're going to remove your first color, and when you do that you're just kind of want to get underneath one of the ends and pull. Sometimes you will get snagged on the cut somewhere, maybe your machine has not cut fully through. Just keep going or start from the other side, see if you can get it to go all the way on the other side. If you have little fuzzies left, just go in there when you're done with your tweezers and gently pull them up. So I'm going to cover the whole rest with rock candy for my background, and then we are done. that was our Burst Tumbler tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more tutorials in the future. I can't wait to see what kind of burst cups you guys come up with, so make sure that you post them in our group, the Glitter Guide, so we can see everything you make. And we'll list all the supplies down below in the description so you can get them all. Thank you.